Are 3D prints so weak that you can crush it with your hand? Let's talk about that. Welcome back to the Step Next Training Channel, and today we're talking about 3D prints. So I have a variety of 3D prints here, going from the weakest to the strongest. This is going to be a quick video where we talk about how strong 3D prints can be. So this is the weakest. So this is base mode. It's only one layer thick. As you can see right down the barrel. All it is just like wrapping rope around a barrel. It's one stream of plastic over and over and over and over again in a vase type format that allows you to get an overall look at the exterior of any of your designs very quickly. This print alone only spent about 30 minutes, and I was able to get an overall shape of the design that I was trying to get. And as you can see, there's some limitations at the top. It was not supported internally, so it couldn't bridge the gap, and you see this hole in the top of the head. That's okay, because what I was trying to get was more of the face structure than the overall shape of the head. So it served the purpose of what I was trying to do. Now, this is very flimsy. If I move on to this is a original support bracket that I was trying to print for the shelf, one of the original designs, and it had some layer issues, and it also failed at the very top. But I wanted to show you this because of this design, this traditional design where you have a flat plate with some structural supports, because of that, it's actually pretty flimsy. And if I could break it with my hand, just like that. I mean, traditional design is, I-beam supported to another I-beam, and then you weld them together, and that's what you get with traditional design. This is not a good design for 3D print. As you can see, I can just snap it all apart. So therefore, traditional design doesn't really mend well to the 3D print. The 3D print tries its best to make a good design out of this, but it's just not as good as if you go with a more organic looking design, and this is a lot more structurally sound. Now, this was also another design for this shelf that I found on Thingiverse. The nice thing about this is it's very organic. It was supposed to be very organic, and very pleasing to the eye. And I have another video that talks about organic design and generative design. And I'll leave a link down below so you can go watch that video and see more detail about the structure. But I wanted to talk about the physical structural integrity of this shape. This can support book after book after book. And a matter of fact, let's go stand on it and see if it will support that. This is the 3D print that used to be a shelf, but it failed halfway through. It's very organic style, and it's very strong. And what I'm going to do to demonstrate that is I'm 240 pounds, and I'm going to stand on this. And it's hard to balance my weight, but it's fully supporting my weight the entire time that I'm on it. And there's no breakage, there's no snap, there's no nothing, no damage to this structure. So very cool. So it even can support the weight of a 6'4", 240 pound man alone. Just in one print, it can support a man that's around 240 pounds. That's a lot of weight for a piece of plastic that was extruded out of a hot nozzle. One of the reasons why this is so much more structurally sound than this flimsy guy, some of the key aspects that are a delta between this and this are the outer wall is not just one layer thick, it's 5 layers thick. So this limb, if you will, is 5 layers thick on the outside. Including in that is this structural grid on the inside, this mesh, which also holds the overall shape very well. The third thing is the organic design. There's no hot spots of stress. Everything is well connected and well supported within itself. So between those three items, you can either go with something flimsy or something so structurally sound that it can hit up against rock. This is a quite amazing feat. If you agree or disagree with how structurally sound you can get 3D prints, leave a comment down below. I'd love to have a conversation. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these type of videos. We'd really appreciate it. And I'll leave you with this. Make, share, repeat. Okay? Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye.